Hello, fellow traders. Nutty Bar Trading coming to you. It is Friday, May the 3rd, and this is a quick recap on the trades today. And let's just dive right in. This should not take long. I was pretty aggressive this morning, and yeah, I took a trade here, and we took a trade right here that was actually a losing trade. But the big trade of the day was this one here. I was actually pretty frustrated. If I'm being honest. I entered the trade and then I had to leave. The dog was creating issues and barking up a storm. I had to go make sure everything was all right. So anyway, I went and, I'm not saying I'm blaming my wife, but my wife, distracted me and we got to talking and one thing led to another. 15 minutes later, I all of a sudden realized I was still in a trade. So I came back to check on this trade. And by that time we had made this move. My profit target was up here and we had made the move up. We were like $120 in profit. But by the time I got to my desk, we were basically at break even. So I kept the trade, had my stop below this, basically at the 90s, the 890s. And we came all the way back down, double bottomed this. We kept, I will say I was proud that I was patient. I didn't panic out. I kept my stop where I had it. And I basically had accepted the loss. It would have been like a $200, $240 loss. It would have upset me, but we kept it. And thankfully we double bottomed and then made a really nice move higher, where we did take our profits and we did end the day. Overall, we're up 1,000 total among the 7 accounts. We have anywhere from $170 to $140 in profit per account. And also of note, these two accounts, I have requested a payout and I did. But I have not been approved for this payout, but I am continuing to trade these accounts, which should be fine as long as I don't go below that $2,600 mark. I'll be fine. But I'm hoping to be approved on these payouts this weekend. I hope, but I guess we'll see. Either way, the first week is in the books and kind of the first week of trading these 7 accounts and using the copy trader. The first week is in the books and I would say it's been okay. We had a really rough day one. But then the following 3 days, we've just kind of scratched and clawed our way back and taken kind of some small wins. Nothing crazy. So I am happy about that. And overall, I'm happy with where the week started. I know that copy trading again, even if it's just 7 accounts, it's not 20 accounts, but even 7 accounts, there is something mental about it. And it is definitely a bigger challenge than doing one at a time. I'm definitely finding myself when I enter a trade having a little bit more anxiety, and that's okay. I'm okay with that. It's kind of like I said, I want to challenge myself, and I feel like ultimately I want to use the trade copier to my advantage. And to do that, we're going to have to use the trade copier on funded accounts, and we're going to have to work through some of the mental hurdles that I'm going to incur. So I'm okay with it, and we will just continue on. Hopefully we'll continue to make progress and ultimately get these accounts to a payout. That would be, I would almost feel like more of an achievement getting these 7 accounts to a payout, which would be like a $14,000 payout. I almost would feel better about that than I would about my, $30,000 payout in March. Just because I'm using the trade copier and that has been such a struggle for me that if I can do that, I would be very, very happy. And it would be like a stepping stone to maybe next time we'll do 10 or whatever. But we'll just take it one day at a time. Don't try to look too far ahead. But anyway, that's it. Enough rambling. I hope you all have a great Friday. I hope you all had a great green day today. And we'll be back Monday. Hope you all have a great weekend as well. Take care and God bless.